Alright, so you just downloaded Facebook and you don't have the market icon. I'm going to show you guys how to get it quick and easy. This is the only way that I found that it worked. Alright, first things first is delete your app. You're going to delete it off your cell phone. Next, you must make sure that you have your phone in English. Delete all other languages on your phone. Facebook Marketplace only knows how to work in certain languages. Deleting your cookies and your cache will also help, but if you don't know how to do it, try it without. Next, power your device all the way off and turn it back on. Now re-download the Facebook app and log in. Now your Facebook Market icon should be on your home page, and if it's not, you must wipe out your phone and try the steps again. You may have some sort of virus stopping you from getting it. Resetting and wiping out the phone should do the trick. Alright, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.